Now, itong source books na to, no, are more than just tools, sabi nga, no? They are bridges connecting the expertise of yung mga scientists natin with the experiences of the various communities where they got the stories. And then bridging the gap between technical knowledge and cultural understanding. Now, by using local languages, we call them vernacular, right? And incorporating community narratives, we make disaster preparedness not only more accessible, but also more relevant and relatable to our diverse Filipino communities. One way of describing this is popular science. We want to popularize kung ano yung mga terms. Kasi po, baka kung panay scientific yung pagkakabigkas, pagkakasabi, abay, wala tayong communication na sinasabi dahil hindi na po nila naiintindihan. So I hope with this initiative po, sama-sama po natin ipaintindi sa ating mga kababayan, kailian, kung ano yung mga kahalagahan ng mga impormasyon na ito. Now, the launch of these source books today is a testament to what we can achieve when science, education, and community collaboration come together.